tutorial I'm gonna use 3 colors, which is the turquoise, blue, white and black, and it's from Red Heart yarn, and I'm gonna use a 4.5mm hook, one half size smaller or one size smaller than the required hook recommended in the label. So we're gonna see now how to crochet this eye. I'll make a slip knot and then I'll chain 4. Join and 10 single crochet, chain 1, 10 single crochet in the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then I'll join in my beginning work with a slip stitch. We'll tighten the circle first, and then we'll secure this thread with my yarn once I make a slip knot together, like so, and then I can fasten off here. And later I can hide my thread along. Now using my blue color, I'll make a slip knot again. And I will join my yarn in any single crochet, like so. I'll chain 1 and then I'll make 2 single crochet in every stitch. So in the next one, holding my thread along to secure it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, and I will join again with a slip knot in the beginning work. So this is my second color completed. Now I'll join my third color, which is the white. Here I'm gonna show you how to join color without having to fasten off. So in my last work I'll join the white color, and then I'll hold the my short thread together with the other yarn, and I'll start working. So what I'll make is one single crochet in the next stitch and 2 in the next one. One in the next stitch and 2 in the next one. So I'll continue alternating between 1 and 2 until I finish my round. And then I'll join in my beginning work with a slip stitch. Okay, and this is a simple way how to crochet an eye. This is one of the easiest ways. Of course, there are many ways how to crochet an eye, from easy to more complicated ones, but if this is good for any easy project or even for blanket, looks nice and easy to achieve. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think in the description box, and what you need to see in the future videos. Until next time, take care, bye bye.